What's up, everyone? Welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. This is the Heavies final from Justin's point of view as we ride along with him. See what happens in his race. I've already posted my final, so let's ride along with someone else. Green flag, here we go. That is Sosa to the inside in on pole position. Justin does a good job there, holding speed to the outside, just settles in. Sosa's a little swirly. I don't have a backwards camera on Justin, so we're just forward only. Alright, here's where we see what kind of kart speed we all have. Kart 30 I think has won like every race, last few races, or it finishes at the top if it has a pretty decent driver in it. It's a fast kart. Justin's kart looks like number 6. Looks okay. He's right there on Sosa's tail, so he might be able to contend here for the win. We'll see. See, Sosa gets a better exit from there. It's kind of a tricky corner. He doesn't really pull away though on the straight, so that's good news for Justin. Sosa seems to get a better exit through that corner there and see him open up. Not sure what's going on there with Justin. But in these sections through here, it looks like Justin definitely catches him. Definitely gets a better exit off of turn 1. Yeah, so Sosa struggles a little bit through the middle of the course. This course is not very long, but then right here he seems to kind of pull away. That's bad for Justin because a good passing zone is going to be entering turn 1 here. So I'll tell you, yeah, Sosa struggles most of the way through. I mean, he's not driving bad. It's just Justin seems to be a little better through, exit of turn 1 all the way to the second to last corner. So Justin is going to have to either change up his driving a little bit or hope Sosa messes up. And if he does, hope that he's close enough to capitalize on it. There's not a lot of places to pass on this track, so that's going to be real tough. All right, Justin was a little better that time. Ideally, what you want to do is just work together, not try to pass each other and pull away from the field. And then once you're far enough away and it's getting towards the end of the race, then you start having your own little fight for position. But given the way this race is going, if I were in Justin's shoes, if an opportunity presents itself, definitely go for the move. It doesn't look like he's going to have many chances. Yeah, he's doing a lot better now off that corner. A little bit of a run, just not enough. All right, here's something right here. Let's see if he can hold the outside through this turn. Lift, did you hear him lift a little bit? Sosa goes a little defensive there, kind of smart, because you could tell he slid out a little bit. So he had kind of a poor exit, and Justin could have gone to the inside, but Sosa took a defensive line there, so really smart driving by Sosa. All right, he's too far away now. See his right hand, Justin's middle finger, still in that splint. Cannot move the tip of his finger for, I think, 2 or 3 months. Yeah, Justin's just getting a better drive off turn 1 for sure. Sosa's cart's a little loose through here, looks like. Doesn't go defensive through here. The lights are off in this section. Hopefully they get them turned back on, because the camera does get a little dark through there. So far, Justin's had, looks like, 1 legitimate chance at trying to pass them, and I don't think it wasn't even a 50-50 chance. I'd say it was an 80-20 or something. He didn't really have a good shot at it, but it was there. Sosa just did a good job. I think right here, if Justin can get a better drive off this corner here, look to the inside, like right when he opens the door, like right there, he can make a move. He just has to be get off that corner before really a lot better than Sosa to be able to do that. You see Sosa opening up again down the straight. It's just really bad. Justin is the points leader in the heavies class. He should be the points leader. I think he was in 2nd place. But with his pre-final result, it should have put him in the 1st. And Sosa is up there. Sosa's a top 3 contender for the overall championship. So you are seeing 2 top 3 guys go at it. Definitely wish I had the cart to be up here with these guys fighting. But just wasn't my night. But these 2 cars look pretty strong. See how consistent Sosa is. If you're new to karting, just watch his lines and go back and watch this again. And just watch how he's hitting every spot he should be hitting. Pretty consistent. All right, we got something here. Sosa recognizes it, goes defensive. Justin goes down there with him. Sosa's really low. See how he stays down there? That is a rule. He drifted up a smidge, but not enough to get in trouble. All right, Justin has a chance here if he can get a better exit off this corner right here. Too far away. All right, stay on his tail. Let's set him up for the entry of turn 1. Okay, very good. All right, he's got a shot here. I expect defensive here. He doesn't go. There he is, defensive. Go down to the bottom. Swings back up. Mistimed that over-under. Sosa did a good job too. So that had something to do with it. There was a very tight window there for Justin to put that nose in there, and was just a little too close, and Sosa did a good job of not making that door any wider. All right, another over-under opportunity here. Doesn't have it. That was a good shot right there, but man, you had to really time that out. And like I said, Sosa did a really good job of keeping that door super narrow. So Justin would have to hit that just perfect. All right, looks like he's going to get another shot at this. It's a little further away this time. Go up high. Yeah, Sosa drifted up a little bit there, but it didn't impede Justin or his line. I'm going to follow a penalty next time I go up there for this race and show him this video and knock Sosa down a couple of spots. That's just the kind of guy I am. If I can't beat you on the track, I'll beat you in the steward's office. I'm kidding. This is good fun racing. All right, here's a lapper here. It's an opportunity for Justin. That guy almost turns down on Sosa. All right, let's see if Sosa stays to the bottom. That guy needs to back off and let those faster guys around you. You don't need to keep it floored. if these guys are going past you. It doesn't mean you have to slow down to snail's pace, but if your car's pretty fast on the straightaway and you see the leaders coming through and they're not just blowing past you, you probably need to roll off the throttle a little bit and give them an opportunity to pass you easily and get back into the racing line. He is running out of time, and it's just every lap there's just not a lot of opportunities here. There's more lappers, and they should catch him here pretty quick. So if I'm in Justin's shoes, I'm kind of hoping for that to happen. I'd hate for a lapper to cause the race leader to lose his lead, but if I'm in second place, I don't care. They don't really throw the nice move on Sosa's part. Nice. Went for it, didn't wait. I can't think what the flag's called off the top of my head. It's the flag with the stripe down on it diagonally. The get out of the way flag. Means that the leaders are coming through, get out of the way. I don't really see that being shown to anyone. I know it's called something, I just can't think of what it is, and I'm not going to go back and voice this over again. See Sosa having trouble there with the lapper, and it cost them definitely a lot of time, and Justin's right there. Not good. If you're a lapper and you see the leaders coming up, get out of the way. Don't let this happen. All right, last lap. Here we go. All or nothing. Let's go over under here. He does a good job of closing that bottom up. Maybe Justin, if he anticipated, could have carried more speed to the outside and been inside that in that corner there, but that happened so fast you got to pre-plan that. Let's see if he's got an over-under. Doesn't look like it. Get a little bump, I'm assuming. No. All right, this race is over. Nice job by Sosa. Good job by Justin. He drove a great race. Just had 2, maybe 3 chances to make a move, but they had to be just right. And Sosa did a good job. It wasn't there. So congrats, Sosa, on the win. Justin, congrats on getting into the leader position and points overall. I hope y'all enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take it easy.